ready? All right, here we go now. Help me count us down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Green flag. Supposed to be easy contact.
Bob, right here in the center of the arena. Make it go. Running, but not able to move.
no steering on the 105. Michael Smith in the 42. Jason Grant, the 19. RJ Jermaine sending up lots of tires, folks. That's why it's on tire, lots of steam from the radiator. Variety in the 55 still not ready to go. RJ Jermaine just starting to make a move. Black car in the background, I can't see the roof sign anymore, can't read the number on it. Needs to get through and get to the live cars. Looks like he's got broken steering, he's not having a whole lot of luck turning it. Black car on the clock there with the broken steering. Time running down for him, needs to make contact with a live car. If he can't get there, he will be timed out. Made the contact, kept himself alive. Now things go quiet, it's only the 19 still running. Michael Smith now in a bad place, up against the barrier almost. In the corner. Black car's got no steering. 19's looking real good in the front. Gary Grant keeping on that 42. We got 3 cars need to get down to 2. Gary Grant got himself a little bit of room to run, but isn't going to use it, just going to drive right by him. Made a little loop, did a little sightseeing. .42, Michael Smith not running very well, but it's actually not running any worse than it was when he started. Black car's been on the clock now, it's got to make contact. Taking a hit is not the same as giving a hit. And that's giving a hit right there, keeps himself in the running. shot there, Gary Grant, working on that drive wheel. Now the front bumper loose on the 19. He's been doing a pretty good job of keeping the front clean, but he turned into a little side hit on flipping the 42. Broke his bumper loose. Now Smith's got a little running room. Once again, the black car on the clock. Looks like he can maybe turn the passenger front wheel, can't really turn the driver's wheel. There's a good shot from Grant. Gary Grant just making that car shorter and shorter. Sounds like the 42 is running out of transmission. Things going quiet for Michael Smith. Running but not moving. He said he's done, he waved off. I'll need to get one of my officials to give me the number off the black car because I couldn't.